there! Pay close attention if you're an internet marketer, blogger, website owner, agency owner, affiliate marketer, or you have any other business online. This is very important for you if you want to boost your sales and conversions. Did you know that a recent marketing analysis shows that multimedia assets like photos, HD videos, graphics, Gifs, logos, 3D characters, icons, etc. convert 100 times better than plain and boring text? Attention-grabbing multimedia assets leave your customers glued to the screen, hence increases the conversion and sales. The fact is, 90% of the traffic leaves your pages just because they don't see any attention-grabbing assets like HD photos, HD videos, GIFs, animations, and mockups. Look, the world is changing, and people don't have time to read boring text. They immediately leave the page if they don't find any interesting asset there. This totally lowers the sales and conversions of any online business. People need attention-grabbing graphics, images, videos, GIFs, and other multimedia assets to quickly understand the content on your website, ads, social media posts, blogs, landing page, or any other page. This makes them quickly understand and take action, hence increasing sales and conversions. But here are the few big problems you face for having multiple multimedia assets on your pages and posts. Problem number 1. Buying assets like images, graphics, and videos from popular stock sites is really expensive. They charge hundreds of dollars for simple photos and videos. If you decide to buy multimedia assets from sites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock, then you'll have to pay a heavy monthly recurring fee, which is out of budget for every newbie marketer. Problem number 2. Create graphics and videos on your own. Creating graphics and videos requires a lot of skill and time. There's no guarantee that you'll succeed with those low-quality graphics and videos. This will completely let you and your business down. Problem number 3. Hiring money-sucking freelancers for creating graphics and videos. This is the worst option of all, as freelancers charge very high fees for just a single graphic or video. Not only is it a matter of cost, but also time. Most of them miss deadlines, and even they don't give any conversion guarantee. Now you might be thinking, what's the solution for these problems? My name's Rudy Rudra, and after years of hard work and months of testing, we've come up with a solution which every online business needs. This will totally end all your problems by offering you more than 17 million multimedia assets like photos, icons, HD videos, graphics, GIFs, etc. for a low one-time investment. Introducing DesignMonster. DesignMonster is an all-in-one design suite which you can use for your business without paying any recurring fee. Get images, videos, 3D character, logos, GIFs, mockups, icons, graphics, and much more. DesignMonster works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword. Enter any keyword of your choice and DesignMonster will blast thousands of graphics, images, videos, etc. onto your screen. Step 2. View and edit. Simply view and edit with our inbuilt, easy-to-use editors. Get every editing option with a step-by-step guide. Step 3. Download and use. Download and use unlimited images at any time and even sell it and keep 100% profit. Enjoy unlimited downloads without any restrictions. The best part is, you can even sell these assets at any price and keep 100% profit as we've included a commercial license with it. DesignMonster has power, which will let you have your own 7-figure design agency in minutes. Here's what you'll get with DesignMonster. Millions of stock images, millions of HD stock videos, inbuilt premium image editor, thousands of banner templates, inbuilt premium video editor, 1,000 plus 3D characters, premium mockups and posters, automatic updates, step-by-step video tutorials, and the golden opportunity to grab 10 premium bonuses absolutely free when you act today. You might be wondering about the price of DesignMonster, as it's offering huge value to you. DesignMonster usually costs $197, but today we're offering it at a one-time price of $17. This mind-blowing offer is for a limited time and will expire soon. So hurry, act now. We'll see you inside.